let's introduce some words about number 4, 4 as well today. So in daily life, other than the very common words like Thursday, 星期四, or April, 4月, or 4 seasons, 四季. These are the words basically you have to know, okay? Because we use it pretty much all the time. And apart from these, we want to introduce some fun words about number 4, 4 as well today. So the first one we want to talk about is called 四季如春. 四季 in Chinese means 4 seasons, and 如 means as, 春 means spring. So 四季如春 basically means some place is always like springtime. So in daily life, if you know some countries or cities that are very beautiful and the weather is always very nice, you can use this word to say this place is always 四季如春, and it works to go. So 四季如春, 四季如春, 四季如春. Some place is always like springtime.